Oh my goodness, guys. Hey, 95% of you are watching my videos. Imagine if you have not subscribed. Aki si poor. Si poor, by the way. Si poor. Aki, please subscribe. Let me give you a minute. Thank you.
I'm waiting for you to subscribe.
I'm waiting for you to subscribe. This waiting is for you guys to subscribe, by the way. Thanks for subscribing, guys. I am grateful. Tuendelee kusubscribe. Mtu akiwatch content mnamtumia na mwambia please subscribe. In fact, tuanze kufanya challenge. Ukishare mtu video mwambia tuwe screenshot. Tuone kama ali subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. It's a month of love and I know you love me. I know you love me. Sitaji kuambiwa, I know you love me. So just show me love by subscribing to my channel. It's free. It's very free. Na hakuna maanisha kuongezea spam emails or nini. It's just like and just doing it. Like breathing air for free. Imagine kama unaweza breathe air for free, mbona ukata kusubscribe ya mwenzako? Kusubscribe ni kitu cha kukatalia mtu surely. Anyway, yeah. So after the kitchen party, I knew I was now ready to get married and I was excited for the wedding. I don't know, I was having mixed emotions definitely, but then of course immediately we had a send-off party that we did not have a lot to record. It was quite an intimate moment, and then it was really like, I think just nobody was in the moment of recording, so yeah, but it went well. And then of course after that I was now excited. I was waiting for the wedding and I was not expecting anything else, by the way, not to say at 9, and I was hurt or nini, but I was just like, time is up, time is running, and now it is now time for the wedding. And then boom, my guys decided, Wema, you're not going anywhere without a bridal shower. And I got surprised. It is hard to surprise this girl. It is very hard. Because I remember one of them asked me, Mercy asked me, I'm traveling, and so I would like to spend the day with you on 20th. So I'm like, we are really spending the day together, so what is it? But I was just like, okay. For some weird reason, I wasn't someone like to ask a lot of questions. Next, Mercy had to travel like earlier. So Shatia comes and she, there's something that is bothering me. I would love to talk to you about it. Can we meet on Sunday? I'm like, okay, but I think I will be there on a Wednesday, so we can talk on Wednesday. And then she decided she will avoid me on that Wednesday. So I waited. I was like, oh, Shatia, but then that happened. Now my colleague asked me one day, are you guys okay? Are you and Mercy okay? Shiro, I see you. Are you guys okay? I'm like, yeah. Kumbe, yes, kuna inbox they are planning the bridal shower. Yani guys, let me tell you, last year nimebeba ujinga tu, like tulikuwa nimebeba ujinga tu kabisa tu. I was being fooled and I am seeing, but I thank God that the foolishness was for a good cause, you know. So it was good. Finally I think Shatia noticed she might find it difficult to get me, but imagine that, I think that would have worked quite well. But yeah, so they decided they're going to use my husband. Na saa hiyo I was just angry. I was just like, my emotions are just all over. So nilimsumbua sana. But eventually he managed to get me to the venue, and then boom!
Father, we are grateful for your love and mercy which endures forever. Thank you for this day, Lord, you have granted us into the King of Glory. Thank you for this session, Jehovah, King of Glory. I pray that, Lord, you are with us, Jehovah, King of Glory. Father, receive all the glory and honor to us, Jehovah, King of Glory. Have your way, Lord, and lead us, Jehovah, King of Glory. Every kind of discussion you are going to talk, Jehovah, I pray that, King of Glory, it will be of impact to each and every one of us, Jehovah, King of Glory. And it is through the name of Jesus' mighty name I pray and I believe. Amen.
Thank you. Bridal shower, but there are only 3 things that a man would really want to. Okay, Sasa, since you are lady, now you need to make this home. That is 1. So number 2. Yeah, so I think respect carries a lot of things. Respect has forgiveness. Respect has submissive everything. Ephesians 5:22 inasema
tunaingia. So nitakuwa na declare hizo words. We speak favor in our marriage in the name of Jesus Christ. Sindio? Tuna declare tuna good things in our marriage. Sawa. Asante Bwana, asante Bwana, asante Bwana kwa wema wako, kwa wema wako, kwa wema wako, kwa wema wako, kibali chako, kibali chako, kibali chako, kwa wema wako, kwa wema wako, kwa wema wako, kwa wema wako. Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, we are before your presence, Lord, King of Glory. We speak blessings upon the life and the marriage of Wema in the name of Jesus Christ. The marriage is blessed in the name of Jesus Christ. The children are blessed in the name of Jesus Christ. They will not suffer in the name of Jesus Christ. We scatter every evil word spoken against our marriage in the name of Jesus Christ. Every evil word spoken by the friends of the enemies in the name of Jesus Christ. She will not die in the marriage in the name of Jesus. No miscarriages in our marriage in the name of Jesus Christ. We pray that King of Glory will release her in the mighty name of glory. We break every word of the devil in the name of Jesus Christ. We scatter the evil words of the devil in the name of Jesus Christ. We connect her in the name of Jesus Christ. We connect her in the name of Jesus Christ. In the name of Jesus Christ. We cover her with the blood of Jesus Christ. We speak she's safe with the family in the name of Jesus Christ. She will not have in the name of Jesus Christ. The family is safe in the name of Jesus Christ. Father, make the Lord the family in the name of Jesus Christ. We speak your favor in the name of Jesus Christ. We speak your prosperity fire in the name of Jesus Christ. May you bless their marriage in Jesus' name. Every plan of the devil upon their marriage is beginning, Lord. We scatter the plan in the name of Jesus Christ. The marriage is safe in the name of Jesus. They are safe in the name of Jesus Christ. May we prosper in the land in the name of Jesus Christ. Lord, we command us in the name of Jesus Christ. Lord, we pray for your mercy, Lord, King of Glory. As we start every situation, King of Glory. Father, we pray that King of Glory will guide us in the name of marriage and King of Glory. In the God of the King of Glory shall be the name, Lord. We pray that you are going to guide us in the marriage life in the name of Jesus Christ. May you glory. May you guys are going for glory. In the name of Jesus Christ, we scatter every plan of the devil in the name of Jesus. We speak that you are well in the name of Jesus. We speak that you are blessed in the name of Jesus Christ. We speak that you prosper in the name of Jesus. We declare your power upon their lives in the name of Jesus. They shall not lack in the name of Jesus. We thank you, Lord, King of glory, and we honor you. We thank you for our life, Jehovah, King of glory. Thank you for the journey, Jehovah, King of glory. Thank you, Jehovah, King of glory. We see all the glory and more. We are here lifting our name, Lord. We know you are still strong down on the land, Jehovah. We know that you are able to do that, Jehovah. You have done that, you have done so great in men lives, Jehovah, King of glory. We thank you that you have brought the Lord, Lord. We speak, Lord, with all God, the blessings, the name of Jesus Christ.
Rest upon our life in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. We bless you, Jehovah God, because your name is God. Jesus, we honor you. Jesus, we glorify you because your name is God. Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. We bless you, Jesus. Asante Yesu. Kwa wema wako, kwa wema wako, kwa wema wako, kwa wema wako, wewe mwaminifu, wewe mwaminifu, wewe mwaminifu, wewe
You are faithful, God. We are grateful, Lord, King of glory. Please fight because of your love, Jehovah, King of glory. Father, King of glory, as we declare, Jehovah, King of glory, your blessing, Jehovah, King of glory, upon these new families, Jehovah, King of glory. We pray that King of glory may guide them, Jehovah, King of glory. Father, King of glory, they start marriage, Lord, King of glory.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Next is the wedding. Da-da-da-da.